Welcome to the world of high-tech dragon fruit processing.
From automated harvesting to laser-guided sterilization. Experience the ultimate journey of this vibrant superfood.
Where quality control meets precision technology.
Freshly packed, ready for the global market.
The process begins here, in our organic orchards.
Each dragon fruit is hand-picked to ensure zero bruising.
Each dragon fruit is hand-picked to ensure zero bruising.
Gentle handling preserves the delicate dragon fruit skin.
Our team selects only the peak ripeness dragon fruits.
Nature's perfection, ready for processing.
Quality starts with the right harvest.
Moving the dragon fruit harvest to the collection point. Precise cuts protect the health of the vine.
And it adheres to prolino. First stage inspection happens right in the field.
Efficient harvesting covers acres in hours. Careful stacking prevents pressure damage. No fruit is left behind in our thorough process.
Advanced tools help reach every single fruit.
Expert eyes identify the best quality.
Harvest complete. Now, off to the factory.
Loading the dragon fruit harvest for rapid transport. Speed is essential to maintain freshness.
Transferring to the main logistics fleet. On the way to our state-of-the-art facility. Our cold chain ensures the fruit stays crisp.
Arrival at the heart of our operations.
The transformation begins.
Triple stage wash for dragon fruits.
Removing field dust from the skin.
Voice spurring. UV sterilization for safety.
Air drying the fruit for slicing.
AI sensors sort each dragon fruit.
Manual spot checks.
Entering the peeling zone.
Trimming the dragon fruit.
Slitting the red skin.
Suction peeling tech.
Recycling organic waste.
Pure white pulp ready.
Rapid disc slicing.
creating uniform cubes.
Sifting the cubes.
Consistent flavor check.
Preventing oxidation.
Flash freezing the fruit.
Frozen at peak freshness.
Safety standards check. Microscopic integrity.
Ready for packaging. Rainip gas.
Safety scan. Removing imperfections. Removing imperfections. Human check.
Smoothing the texture.
Sterile zone transport.
Organizing batches.
Sanitation routine. Sanitation routine.
Ideal coat-out chain. Secondary wash.
Removing surface moisture.
Accurate batch count. Flavor lock-in.
Hygiene monitoring. Bulk collection. Looper. Expert approval. Vertical transport.
Precision weighing.
Traceability applied.
Airtight housing.
Airtight housing. Validating US data. Zero oxygen prep.
Perfect pouch shape.
Leak-proof seal.
Final balance check.
Consistency check.
Internal safety scan.
Securing for retail.
Oxygen-free seal. firm glue set.
Safe for travel.
Palletizing robot. Securing for shipping.
Oxygen-free seal.
Traceable ID. Automated boxing. Seal integrity.
Inbound logistics.
Brand labeling. Stock counting.
Bulk grouping.
Export data ready.
Final seal applied.
Logistic flow. Stretch wrap protection.
Weight verification.
Preserving freshness.
Maximizing storage.
Deep freeze check.
Documentation ready.
Manager approval.
Loading protocol.
Ready for USA.
International distribution.
Climate control.
Securely locked. Headed to the U.S. Trans-state transit.
Destination reached.
Fresh arrival.
Processed to perfection.